beautiful morning walk. Check it out, guys. Pretty tech here. Oh, a beautiful day. It's not a breath of wind. It's like perfect conditions to fly. Guess what we've got? We've got the drone in the bag. The drone is in the bag. It's a little bit cold. It's only just above freezing. It's like the day after a bad storm. It's like the calm after the storm. It's like weird, otherworldly. Birds are playing. It's definitely sort of a bit of spring in the air. It's just good to get out with a bit of sunshine. To that grey, horrible gloom that we keep getting. It's very squishy underfoot. It's been raining constantly for days and days, as it does. Just finding my spot now. Oh yeah, very wet bit now. Oh gosh, very scorchy. Very scorchy. A couple of little tips for winter drone flying. Basically, I picked these gloves up from the middle aisle at Aldi, and it's got these like fingertips that you can fold back, little Velcro bits on. And you can control your joysticks easily, press your touchscreen controls, keep your hands warm. That's the make. I think they were $4.95 or something like that. Really cheap. And the other thing is, keep your batteries nice and warm. Keep that on the inside pocket. So before you start flying, just keep your batteries nice and warm. It's pretty important that. Just body temperature is perfectly fine. Okay guys. Such a peaceful spot. It's beautiful.
Propellers spin in a silver hum under the weight of the morning sun, leaving the grass and the heavy ground, rising higher without a sound. Oh, we go where the air is thin, feel the world as it starts to spin, flying free where the light is gold, stories written, then let them unfold, let them unfold. The rivers look like a silver vein, cutting through the golden grain. So small below the houses sleep, secrets that the horizon keeps. Oh, we go where the air is thin, feel the Safe back home, just me and you.